Hey, welcome. Today we are comparing France and Netherlands, two incredible study abroad destinations with top ranked universities, vibrant cultures, and unique vibes. Here I will break down point by point university, courses, living cost, tuition fees, jobs, language barrier, and more so you can decide which one suits you best. Let's get started. First, top universities. In France, you have got world-renowned institutes like Sorbonne University, HEC Paris, and more display on the screen. In Netherlands, the top picks includes University of Amsterdam, Erasmus University Rotterdam, and more given on the screen. France popular for its prestigious academic heritage, while the Netherlands is known for its innovative, research-driven universities. Next, popular courses. France offers a variety of programs catering to diverse passions. You can dive into business and management, fashion and luxury brand management, engineering and technology, and culinary art and hospitality. In contrast, the Netherlands is a leader in cutting-edge fields like engineering and technology, economic and finance, life and health sciences, and international studies, law and social sciences. France is go-to for creativity and hospitality-driven careers, while Netherlands excels in STEM and international business. Third, comparing tuition fees. In France, tuition fees is highly affordable at public university ranging from €2,700 to €3,700 per year. Private universities, however, are a bit costly, costing €7,500 to €18,000 per year. Whereas in Netherlands, tuition fees are consistent across most institutes, ranging from €10,000 to €16,000 per year. France public universities are budget-friendly options, but Netherlands offer a standardized fees structure that is easier to predict. Now let's talk about living expenses. In France, living costs range from €7,200 to €12,000 per year. Major cities like Paris can be expensive with higher rent and daily expenses, but smaller towns like Lyon offer more affordable living options, making it easier to manage on a student budget. On the other side, in the Netherlands, expect to spend €10,000 to €12,000 per year. Urban centers like Amsterdam and Rotterdam tend to be costly due to high demand for housing and general living costs, though smaller cities like Groningen are slightly cheaper. Now comparing part-time work. France allows 20 hours per week with job in hospitality and rental, especially in Paris, whereas Netherlands permits 16 hours per week offering tech, startup and service role in cities like Amsterdam. France has more flexible hours. The Netherlands has a strong student job market. But what about the language barriers? In France, many graduate programs at top universities like Sciences Po, HEC Paris and more are in English, but basic French is often needed for daily life outside cities like Paris or Lyon. In Netherlands, over 2,000 English taught programs and high Dutch English proficiency make life and work easier without Dutch, especially in Amsterdam and Rotterdam, though basic Dutch help with internships. The Netherlands is more English friendly. Now, post-study work visa. France offers up to 2 years of post-study stay for master's graduate, giving you enough time to build your career and gain international experiences. Meanwhile, the Netherlands provide a 1-year orientation visa, allow graduates to stay and explore job opportunities, shorter than France but still great for launch your career in Europe. Now, job and internship opportunities. France excels in fashion, hospitality and business with internship in Paris, though some are unpaid or require French. The Netherlands leads in tech, finance and sustainability with paid internship in Amsterdam and Rotterdam. Finally, block account. France requires a blocked account with €7,380 per year to prove financial stability for visa purpose. On the other side, Netherlands has no blocked account requirements, making the visa process simpler. So, pick France for fashion, culinary, art or business with affordable public universities and long-term post-study work visa. On the other side, choose Netherlands for STEM, international studies or business in an English-friendly setting with simpler visa process. Drop a comment, France or Netherlands, and share your study abroad plans. Like, subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Bye bye.